Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, first of all, I hope everybody has a super weekend. And as far as the markets are concerned, overnight prices are about unchanged. We are still kind of feeling out in the dark as far as our prices near value based on all the selling that we've seen because of the coronavirus, or do we need to go lower? First of all, many people are looking for Sunday night money to be a very volatile trade. China comes back from holidays, their stock market has to catch up to the weakness that we've seen in global stocks while they were on holiday. And also we'll be watching to see how many more cases will be announced. Right now there's 9,692 cases of the virus and 213 deaths. Kind of put it in perspective, number one, the SARS death number was 800. It also is interesting that the SARS in 2003, Asian swine flu in 2009, spread over 43 days before it started to be under control. So there's probably a little bit more ahead of us as far as problems than reaching a bottom of the crisis. Other groups feel that the Chinese may come back and start buying U.S. ag goods, offer import licenses for things like soybean oil and meat, especially hogs. So some people feel like buying the soybean oil market or even buying the limit down hog market yesterday might be a bet that China starts buying food to feed the people, especially in the quarantine area, the 60 million people where supplies are declining. For the week, wheat prices in Chicago down 10 cents, corn down 6, and beans are down 22 cents. We also noted that for export sales, wheat sales are 17% ahead a year ago, shipments 26% ahead, while the USDA is talking about a 4% increase. Corn sales 33% behind, shipments 45% behind USDA, with them forecasting only a 14% decline. And for the week, beans running about 4% ahead, shipments 43% ahead, while the USDA is forecasting a 2% decline. But again, this is the time of year, especially in corn and beans, in which South American supply has been cut into U.S. export demand. We note South America, Brazil weather's fine. You've got some dry weather in central Brazil that is helping harvest there of the bean crop. But they're going to need a rain so they can get that second corn crop planted under better conditions. Argentina's dry, but they're supposed to be getting rains next week, and maybe as much as 80 to 85% coverage of at least an inch of rain for most of Argentina. We've got the funds right now, long 25 wheat, short almost 80 corn, and short 50 beans, going into what could be an extremely volatile weekend. So as always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.